Welcome to Payad5. Today, Papian is going to have a math tutorial. Enjoy learning!
Hello everyone, this is Papayan from Payad5 Math Help. So welcome. Today we are going to help one of our subscribers, a 7th grader. He actually sent me his homework and the topic that he wants me to discuss and help him is set. If you are new in this channel, may I invite you to click subscribe. And so our topic for today is set. So what is a set? My reference, by the way, of this tutoring is Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia, online help for everybody. So what is a set? According to them, a set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. So think about this set as a group. So the objects that make up a set, also known as the set's elements or members, simply as members, can be anything: numbers, people, letters of the alphabet, other sets, and so on. So when we talk about set, there is a very helpful tool that was shared and discovered by someone named John Venn, an English mathematician. Also called a set diagram, is a diagram that shows all possible relations between a collection of different sets. So, a Venn diagram consists of multiple overlapping closed curves. So, this Venn diagram has two circles representing two sets. Set A is defined as creatures with two legs. Set B, creatures that can fly. So, think about creatures that have two legs: people, birds. How about creatures that can fly? Birds also, right? Eagles, okay? Mosquitoes, bugs. So when you think about that, they're kind of legs, at the same time they can fly. Okay, what do you think are possible creatures that have two legs but cannot fly? So we can say people, right? Or human beings. Okay, now how about creatures that can fly but not having two legs, maybe more than two legs, like 6 legs? Mosquitoes, right? Okay, I can just write here mosquitoes. So I cannot put mosquitoes in the intersection because mosquitoes have 6 legs, if I'm correct. So that's the purpose of a Venn diagram, to show relation that exists between different sets. Okay, let's proceed to set operations. You're going to So what is a union? Union of two sets is a set containing all elements that are in A or in B, or possibly both. Okay, that can happen. Now, for example, take a look at the example. Set A, okay, so think of union as combination. So when you combine, you will only count one time if the elements are common. So in this case, the two are common. So when you combine both, so this is the result of the union of set A and B, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, next, let's proceed to intersection. So, union, combination. Intersection, when you say intersection, just think of common. So the intersection of two sets A and B denoted by A intersection B. So look at the symbol, it's the reverse of the union symbol. So intersection, this is read as the intersection of A and B, consists of all elements that are both in A and in B. Okay, both in A and in B. For example, let's still use the same example. Set A 1 and 2, set B 2 and 3. Okay, so when you look at that, only 2 is common, right? So in the Venn diagram, that's the overlapping section. So you will only choose 2. Okay, next. Let's have the other 2. Okay, the difference or the subtraction of sets is defined as follows. The set A minus B consists of elements that are in A but not in B. Okay? So the ones that you see in A but not in B. Let's say, for example, the elements of A are 1, 2, and 3. The elements of B are 3 and 5. So what are the elements that you see in A that are not in B? Okay? So B we have 3 and 5, 1, 2, 3. So we have 1 and 2, right? Okay? We have 1 and 2. So I have 1 and 2. So look at the representation A minus B. The last operation is the complement. This is denoted as A with a superscript C or like an exponent. Say for example, um, let's say for example the universal set is defined as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just 1 to 6. Okay. And set A is defined as 1, 3, and 5. Okay. So think about elements that are found in this set that cannot be found in A. So meaning what complements, what completes A to equal the universal set, this set. So 1, 3, and 5 for A. So we're missing 2, 4, and 6. So that's the answer when we say the complement of set A. That means what's lacking to equal the other set, the universal set. Okay, let's now proceed to some examples that our subscriber sent me. Oh, it's not clear, but I hope we covered it. Number 2, given the sets U. Okay, look at the members of the U, the elements of U, and look at C. Look at D. Okay, by the way, we are only asked of the intersection between C and D. So meaning, what's common between C and D? So you can see 400, you can see 500, right? So meaning the answer to this is, so write a brace. We have 400 and 500. Then close brace. Okay, so let us now continue with number 3. Our number 3 example is a problem involving subtraction of sets. So the question is, what is A minus F given the universal set? Okay, got that. And then set A is composed of 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80. Set F, question, what is the subtraction of the sets A minus F? Remember, the subtraction means what are in A that are not in F. That's the meaning of A minus F. So what are in A that are not in F? So 70, no. There's 70 here. 72, yes. We can't see 72. How about 74? Yes, we can't see 74 in F. How about 76? Yes. 78, there's 78. 80, yes, there's no 80. That's the last element in A. Okay, there's no 80 here, so we include 80 in our A minus F. Okay, so don't mind about 79. The question here is, what is in A? What are the elements in A that cannot be found in F? Okay, next, number 4. Our fourth problem is about complement. Okay, so what is the complement of set M? So meaning what will complete M to equal the universal set U? Okay, so we have A already. We have E, I, O, So these are the vowel letters, the vowels. Then U, okay. What's missing? So complement of set M with the superscript C is actually B, C, D, F, and G. Okay, and H. So B, C, D, F, G, and H. Okay? Okay. So refer to the given sets. Universal set 1 to 10, set A just 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, set B 5, 6, 7, 8, set C 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Question number 1. What is the complement of set C? So when you say complement of set C, you're going to compare that to our universal set. Okay? What will complete the C to equal the universal set? So we have, where's my annotation? There we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So compare that. There's 2, there's 4, there's 6, there's 8, there's 10. It's lacking 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, so that. Okay, number 6. The subtraction of sets A minus B, meaning what is in A that is not found in B. We cannot find 1 and 3. We can find 7. We cannot find 9. So 1, 3, and 9. Okay, I think the answer is A. Number 7. What is the union of sets A and C? A union C. So let's have A and C. So we're going to combine everything, but we will only write one time the common, the intersection. So what's the intersection here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's pretty much 1 to 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, the answer is that there. Next, number 8. Intersection between set B and set C. So what's common between B and C? I can see 6, I can see 8. So it's 6 and 8. Intersection of B and C is 6 and 8. Number 9. The subtraction of B minus A, meaning what is in B that cannot be found in A. So we're gonna have the reverse. What is in B that cannot be found in C? Okay. Sorry. What is in B that cannot be found in A? I can find 5. There you go. I can find 7. There's no 8. So it's 6 and 8. Okay. So to understand it better, let's write 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 here. Okay. So try to look at that, compare. What can you find in B that cannot be found in A? So that's 6 and 8. So the answer is 6 and 8. Okay, that's letter B. First, let's find out the intersection between A and B. What's the intersection between A and B? A and B. I can see 5. I can see 7. So you can write here 5, 7. So we have a new set now. Next, we're going to combine that with the intersection of B and C. Okay, the intersection of B and C. We have C, 6 and 8. 6 and 8. So our new set here is 6 and 8. Okay, I repeat. This represents intersection of A and B. This represents intersection of B and C. Okay, now we're going to combine them. The union between the new two sets. The two new sets. Okay, what's the union of them? There's no common, so we just combine them. 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer 5, 7, 6, and 8. The answer is letter B. Alright, so I hope you've learned something today. Any problem, any comments, or any question during the discussion, or any correction with the answer, please type it in the comment. And thank you for watching.